Hi, my name is Larry Burkholder, Training Manager, Digger Specialties, manufacturer of the Westbury aluminum railing system. In this video, we're going to talk about the bottom rail support. Some brands call them foot blocks, others call them crush blocks, but we call it the bottom rail support. This is included in the kit if it's needed. On the Tuscany C10 and the Montego C20, it's included in 7 and 8 foot kits. In all the Riviera 3-rail models, it's included in the 5, 6, 7, and 8 foot kits. And the Verticable C80, it's included in the 7 and 8 foot kits. This is going to attach to the bottom rail. Prior to installing this onto the hardware brackets on the post, it attaches with one screw, which comes through the bottom, and then it is height adjustable. And this, you're going to want to set this bottom rail support that your bottom rail is going to be anywhere between 1 3/4 inches to 2 inches off the deck. Thank you for learning about the Westbury bottom rail support. Have a great day.